So today we are going to learn how to construct a 60-degree angle using compass and ruler. You do not have to use your protractor. You have to use your compass and ruler. I'm going to take the ruler over here. I'm going to make a line. So let us make a line. So here I'm taking the pen and making the line like that. Perfect. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to keep the compass anywhere on this line. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to lock the compass. And after that, I'm going to make an arc. So make an arc by locking the compass like that. You made an arc like that. You can, if you wish, you can complete the circle. If you want to leave like that, you can leave like that. Okay. You can complete a semicircle also. It depends. Without changing the size of the compass. You do not have to change the size of compass. You bring your compass on the other hand, right? On the other hand of this arc. So this is the other hand of the arc I kept over there. And after that, what you need to do, you need to make an arc. You need to make an, oh, just a second. You need to make an arc on that semicircle and you will get a 60-degree angle out of that. See, like this. You just make a cut like that, an arc, a simple arc. Okay. Now that is your 60-degree angle. Now you are going to take the line. You are going to join this line, the center, and here, this one. And this is your 60-degree angle. If you want to measure and confirm, you can take your protractor and you can keep over here. And if you will see, that is a 60-degree angle, the perfect 60-degree angle you are getting. So this is how we make a 60-degree angle using compass and a ruler. Thank you so much. If you want to join one tutoring from Indian Tutors, then you are at the right place. Then you can contact us on our website. The link of the website is given below.